Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can add another video to main video in CapCut. So just simple, just select your main video and then so select another video that you want to add about the top the main video. Just drag here for instance, and I'm going to just like so. So you can resize and move the position like this, and you can also blend this another video like so. But I think it's a normal video, so you can try it. Okay, that's how to add another video to main video in CapCut PC. It's very simple, but I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section down below, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye bye.